How detrimental is, for example, say like organic steamed sweet potato, like probably the best starch option, versus non-organic, like a non-organic banana or something that you don't have any idea what kind of pesticides they put on it? If you were somehow...
I would choose the banana every time.
Okay.
Cooking food creates toxic compounds, and I wouldn't eat the cooked food. I happen to know, by the way, that bananas are use relatively little pesticide, and bananas are on the list of things that are relatively safe to eat. Organic's always best, but
say your other option was non-organic strawberries on the Dirty Dozen list.
Well, in that case, I would probably not eat. If those were my two options. I mean, every year I'll hear from somebody who says, I went to this place and all they had was, pizza. That's all they had. So I ate it. And I'll say, you remember that time 6 months ago when you skipped 63 meals in a row? Could you not skip one meal? Because I'll skip meals all the time. If I'm I'm on a plane. Let's say I've got to change planes, so I can't bring the fruit on because I wasn't allowed to take it on the second flight. I've got a long flight and there's nothing to eat except the crap they serve. I'm not eating anything. It's not a big deal. Okay? The cleaner your body gets, the less of a big deal it becomes. Again, if you're one of those people, and there's many of them, who find skipping a meal difficult because you feel uncomfortable, you feel pain, which happens to a lot of people, you want to remember it's not the lack of food that's painful. It's the detoxification. This is why I've always said to people, the harder it is to skip a meal, the more meals you probably need to skip. Okay? When your system's clean, not eating is easy. It's no big deal. Okay, I can easily, there are times, many times over these last 30 years, where I've been so busy, I just haven't had time to eat. I don't eat anything. That's fine. It's not that big a deal. I gave a lecture in Tel Aviv to a lot of people this year under those conditions. It was a crazy busy day, and there was never a chance to eat, and I got there and hadn't eaten anything. No problem.
What kind of bodily sensations do you feel at that point? Just that sensation in your mouth? Or?
Yeah, there's a pleasant tickling sensation. It's pleasant. If you don't meet it, it's no problem.